Hi, in this video we'll learn how to use the container component to group and organize UI elements inside your agentic app. Let's begin. On the left panel, under Layout, click Container. This adds a new container to your canvas. Next, let's drop a few components onto the canvas. I'll add a heading, a label, a text field, and a button. Now, let's group everything. Select each component and connect its parent handle to the child handle of the container. And just like that, all items are inside the container. Let's save our changes and open the preview. You can see all components neatly grouped together. Now let's explore the container's properties. These controls let you style and arrange everything inside the container. The label field lets you name the container on the canvas. This name is for your reference only. It won't appear in the final app. Layout direction has two modes: column for vertical stacking and row for placing items side by side. Use column for forms and row for toolbars or horizontal layouts. Align items controls alignment across the cross-axis. You can set it to start, center, end, or stretch. This helps position items exactly where you want them. Justify content aligns items along the main axis. Choose from start, center, end, space between, or space evenly. Great for spacing out groups of components. Gap sets the spacing between each child component. For example, a value of 8 adds an 8-pixel space between items. Padding adds internal spacing inside the container. Increasing this value creates breathing room around your content. You can set a background color to visually separate sections of your app. Choose any color you like. Border radius softens the corners of the container. Higher values create a more rounded and modern look. Min height sets the minimum height for the container. This helps when you want your layout to take up more vertical space.
You can also style the container using the border and border color options. Add a border to outline the container and choose any color to match your design. This helps visually structure your layout and create clean sections. You can reorder items inside the container anytime. Just drag components up or down in the child list to change their order. The layout updates instantly on the canvas. Let's preview the app again. Now the container is fully styled, with properly aligned and ordered components. And that's how you use the container component in Runetic.